Hi, this is Ray J. Right now, I'm going to show you two basic examples of Gate. First, you can download Gate in gate.ac.uk/download. As I said before, Gate is open source software, so it's free. You can click this one to download the thing, and then after you run it and install it, you can open the gate. It's gonna like this. Right here, nothing you can open. This is normal. And then I will start the first example. The first example is the URL example. I Google our professor and I found this research paper, and I just copy the URL, go back to Gate, right click language resources, go to new, and right here, Gates corpus means it's the collection of the documents, and then we only have one, so we just use the documents. Type in any name, the name of the documents you want to show on the screen. Second, right here, encoding. It's not required, but I suggest people use UTF-8 for English. And then in the source URL, just paste the URL that I just copied. You have to remember that the URL shouldn't have space. It does not accept the space. And then you can click OK, loading. Finished. You can see the sample one here. Double click sample one, and then you can see the whole document right here. You can click annotation set and annotation list. You will see to here. First, you can see here original markup. In this one, normally if you check it, it will show you the thing. Set body, so which means the whole thing is body except for the first sentence. And what is that? Title. You see that different? This is the basic one, but this it didn't do anything. You just read the documents right here. If you want to want it, you need the any system. That's what I said. Click any system with default, and then it's loading. It will create the any multiple any modules, and then here's are the basic modules that is enough for the basic use. If you want to create your own modules, you can right click processing resources, new, and then you can click it and then create it. But right now, the basic one is enough. And then you can double click any, and then you can right here the corpus. To run it, you have to create a corpus. So how to create it? Use the existing documents, right click sample one, new corpus with this document, and then it creates a corpus with it. And right here, you will see corpus with sample one. And then here, you can see the order. First, you will set the documents and then tokenize it, and then gesture it, and then sentence splitter, and then this thing is doing by orders. So if you want to change the order, you can just move it. You can click and then move it, and then just arrange them. But right now, this order is the default order, and I think it's good enough for this one. And then we can click run this application. Actually, it should be less than a second. If you're using Nottop or whatever, it will take longer, but it shouldn't be that long. So right now it's done. You see the seconds right here, and then double click simple one again. Here you see it did everything. It has date. Right now, it has a date. It can recognize all the different dates, time, and then you can click person. I believe, yeah, it will show you the person, William. And then right here, the most important thing is token. Token, if you check token, it will show you everything in this word. type token category NMP. Kind is a word. It has the 12 length. What do you think is this word? Evolutionary. You can right here. It has upper initial E, and then it will tell you the string equal evolutionary. So this is the first example. Second example, I'm going to open a new one. Documents. I will say sample 2. Here a scene UTF-8, and then I can open here. And then this example, I'm going to show the XML, but as I said before, gates accept documents and but XML is one of them. Just open it, click OK. Here is our sample. This is the sample too. You can see because this XML is a list. It's the same order. But right here we can create the new corpus first, so it's save on time because we know the Andy is gonna need the corpus. Right here we can use the corpus for sample 2. Same order. One this application. It's done. It's actually faster. Go back to sample. Annotational set, annotational list. Right here, the address is right here. And date. It has a lot of dates. And then person. It has person. Sentence. I didn't show you sentence previously, but the sentence is because we have a sentence splitter, so it has just split any sentence. Same. You can check a token, and then we will tokenize every word, and then we can check the words right here. So here is 2 examples. I think after these 2 examples, you will know how to use Gate. Thank you.